Hi, I am Somnath and let me welcome you to my channel Easy Math Academy. Hello everyone. In our last video, we have discussed about definition and representation of sets and we have solved some problem on it. If you have missed that video, check our description box and watch it before starting this video. Today, our topic is type of sets. There are mainly 4 types of sets and there one is finite set and the second type is infinite set and the third type is singleton set and the fourth type is empty set or null set. Can you count the number of elements of the following sets? If I told how many books are there in your bags, you can count them. There may be 7, 8 or perhaps as many as 12 books. It means that the set of books in your bag has a limited number of elements. But if I told how many stars in our sky, can you count them? Well, this is impossible. So this is an uncountable set. So what is finite set? If we talk about finite set, a set which has countable number of elements is called finite set. Now, what can be example of finite set? A finite set can be a set of vowels in our English alphabet. And these vowels are A, E, I, O and U. It has 5 elements, right? Its element can be counted. So, the set of vowels is a finite set. Similarly, set of consonant will also a finite set, right? Because you can count the number of consonant in English alphabet and at the same time the number of planet in the solar system is also a countable set. Similarly, if I talk about the set of all even numbers less than 20 that can be represented as b is equal to x, where this x is equal to 2 times of n and this n belongs to set of all natural number and this n is less than or equal to 10. Now the one question is why this n is less than or equal to 10? Because we all know that 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. So the value of n can be less than or equal to 10, right? Then only you can get the set of all even numbers less than 20. So you have to be very careful while writing this set in set builder format. Now there are 10 even numbers between 0 to 20. So the cardinality of this set is 10. So by now we have learned what is finite set and what is the cardinality of any finite set. And now if I talk about infinite set, so what is infinite set? Of course, you are very smart. You can directly tell me that the infinite set is nothing but a set of which has infinite number of elements that is uncountable. Yes, your assumption is totally correct. So what should be example of infinite set? Example like set of all natural numbers, or we can say set of all real numbers, or set of all points in a line segment. In this set, we can't count the number of elements, so these sets are called infinite set. Now our topic is singleton set. So what is singleton set? Singleton set is actually a set with only one element. That is the cardinality of this set is 1. Let's take some example. If I write down a set A is equal to 1, then it is a singleton set because the cardinality of this set is 1. Suppose I say a set of current president of India. There will be only one element, so that set will be called as singleton set. One more example can be there. If I ask you to write the set of stars in our solar system, then there is only one element and that is sun. So this is also a singleton set. Now let's talk about empty set or null set. Actually, empty set or null set means a set with no element, right? You can represent it by both the curly bracket without any element inside or 5. So the cardinality of this set is 0. So what are the examples? If I ask you to write down the integers between 1 and 2, then you will not able to write down this answer, right? Because there is no integers between 1 and 2. So the set of integers between 1 and 2 will be a null set. And the cardinality of this set is 0. Suppose if I ask you to write down the name of students in your class whose age is more than 60 years, then it will be a null set, because you will not find any students in your class whose age is more than 60 years. So these are the few examples of null sets. Till now we have learned that finite set means countable number of elements, infinite set means uncountable numbers of elements, singleton set means one element, and null set means no element. In our next class, I will discuss on these topics which are following these. Not only that, our shortcut math solution using Vedic math video will start in this week, which is very essential for all kind of government job or competitive exam. I hope this session was useful to you. If you have liked this video, please press the like button, do comment on your query, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.